Welcome back to my channel, where I believe that confidence is key and looking polished is an art worth mastering. In today's video, I'm going to share some invaluable tips on how to look polished always. Whether you have a professional event or simply want to elevate your everyday style, I've got you covered. This video includes dress for success, grooming essentials, pay attention to postures, keep it tailored, maintain a polished hairstyle, enhance your makeup routine, pay attention to accessories, care for your shoes, practice good oral hygiene, confidence, and positive attitude. 1. Dress for success. Opt for well-fitted clothing and classic styles. Invest in quality pieces that flatter your body shape and suit your personal style. Pay attention to details such as clean lines and minimal wrinkles. 2. Grooming essentials. Prioritize good personal hygiene, including regular haircuts, well-maintained nails, and clean skin. Establish a skincare routine suitable for your skin type to maintain a healthy and glowing complexion. 3. Pay attention to posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high. Good posture not only improves your physical appearance but also exudes confidence and professionalism. 4. Keep it tailored. Tailoring your clothing to fit appropriately can instantly elevate your look. Ensure your pants and sleeves are the right length and consider alterations for a more customized fit. 5. Maintain a polished hairstyle. Choose a hairstyle that suits your face shape and is easy to maintain. Regularly trim your hair to avoid split ends and style it neatly to achieve a polished appearance. 6. Enhance your makeup routine. Opt for a natural and well-blended makeup look that enhances your features. Focus on a flawless foundation, groomed eyebrows, subtle eye makeup, and a polished lip color. 7. Pay attention to accessories. Select minimal and tasteful accessories that complement your outfits. Avoid excessive jewelry or accessories that may detract from your polished image. 8. Care for your shoes. Keep your shoes clean and polished to complete your polished look. Invest in a few pairs of high-quality shoes that match different outfits and occasions. 9. Practice good oral hygiene. Regularly brush, floss, and use mouthwash to maintain fresh breath and a bright smile. Consider professional whitening if needed and make routine dental visit. 10. Confidence and positive attitude. The key to looking polished always is to carry yourself with confidence. Wear your polished appearance with pride, maintain good posture, and showcase a positive attitude in all situations. Remember, looking polished goes beyond physical appearance. It's also about good manners, kindness, and a professional demeanor. Combine these tips with a genuine desire to present your best self, and you'll always look polished and put together.